It was a family home, a tavern, a post office, a hostel, and even a polling place. But those aren't the reasons why thousands of people visit Surratt House Museum every year. Its involvement surrounding one of the most renowned assassinations in history, the killing of President Abraham Lincoln by John Wilkes Booth, is why Surratt House, an ordinary mid-1800s plantation home, lives in infamy. Located in what is now Clinton, Maryland, the house gives a feel of what homes were like during the Civil War era. Though the kitchen wing has been rebuilt, the home still has the original flooring and several items owned by Mary Surratt, the former owner of the home, who became the first woman hanged by the federal government after being convicted as a conspirator in the Lincoln assassination plot. The home was a Civil War safe house for agents of the Confederate underground and soon became involved in the kidnap conspiracy that led to Lincoln's murder. It was the first place that Booth and his accomplice stopped while fleeing Washington, D.C. after killing Lincoln. His leg broken during his escape from Ford's Theater, Booth stopped at the tavern for some whiskey to ease his pain and to pick up supplies for his escape to Virginia, which included a gun which was hidden in the attic a month before as a part of the original kidnap scheme. After Booth was killed in a showdown 12 days after the assassination, a hidden gun, which Booth left behind, was discovered by authorities. It was lodged in the wall between the kitchen and the dining area. During the investigation, authorities cut through the wall to retrieve the rifle, which became a key piece of evidence in Mary Surratt's conviction. In 1976, the museum was opened as the first public historic house museum in Prince George's County. With tours available Wednesdays through Sundays, Surratt House Museum still tells the story of desperate times and desperate deeds during the American Civil War and gives a glimpse of what life was like during that era. So please, visit us at Surratt House to get a glimpse of yesteryears and to learn more about the conspiracy which changed the future of America forever.